The following is a paid presentation for ALCiS Daily Relief, brought to you by ALCiS Health.
Are you in pain right now? Were you in pain this morning? Yesterday? Last week? Will you be in pain tomorrow? What if I were to tell you that you might be able to treat that pain without pills, without shots, without ever even leaving your home? In the next half hour, I'm going to show you a medical breakthrough that I've been using myself to fight my own pain, get more active, and take back control of my life. Pain's just not an issue for me anymore. ALCiS Daily Relief lets me live my life. So stay tuned to learn how you too can treat yourself well.
Introducing ALCiS Daily Relief, a medical leap forward in pain treatment. The inventors of ALCiS started with a simple concept. Why use pills to treat your whole body when you can treat your pain right where it hurts? From there, a new kind of pain treatment was born, ALCiS Daily Relief, an innovative way to get active ingredients to the source of your pain without a pill and without skin irritation.
The bottom line with ALCiS is that it does really work, that it did take the edge off the pain and allowed me to move more freely.
It's nice to know that now when I use the ALCiS Daily Relief that I can go through my day pain-free.
ALCiS, I can apply and go work out. It's like, wow, this stuff is really great.
Loaded with healthy antioxidants and nourishing botanicals, it's a relaxing, rejuvenating daily regimen that will make you feel great inside and out. As seen in these leading national publications, ALCiS Daily Relief is a safe and effective alternative to traditional treatments, and thousands of doctors endorse it.
ALCiS actually relieves the pain as opposed to just feeling hot or cold. So you actually apply it and your pain will be gone.
Its wide range of applications means it can work for people just like you.
ALCiS has worked well in patients with joint pain, arthritis problems, lower back pain, neck pain.
The list goes on. Whether you're recovering from injury, dealing with achy joints or muscles, trying to relieve soreness, or even if you just want to live a more active life, ALCiS can work for you.
I'm just amazed because ALCiS is taking my pain away.
ALCiS is giving me back a full life, and I enjoyed that so much. Thank you, ALCiS.
When you feel pain, just apply ALCiS and you can start to feel relief in as little as 5 minutes. Relief that can last for hours.
The ALCiS worked from the very first application.
As soon as I applied the cream, it started working right away.
In the next half hour, you're going to hear from people just like you who discovered ALCiS Daily Relief and regained control of their pain. You'll hear from medical professionals who can tell you what makes ALCiS Daily Relief a new kind of pain treatment. And most importantly, you'll find out how you can get ALCiS right away and get back to living the life you are meant to live. You know Barbara Niven as an accomplished Hollywood actress. She's managed a career on stage, screen, and TV. But one thing you might not know about Barbara Niven is that if you suffer from pain, she knows exactly what you go through.
Hi, I'm Barbara Niven, and I know what it means to struggle with pain. I have neck and back pain brought on by 2 separate car accidents, and at my age, I just don't bounce back like I used to. Or at least, that's what I thought, until I tried ALCiS Daily Relief. Now, I feel better than I have in years. I go to work, to the gym, anywhere I want, without even thinking about pain. I'm here to tell you ALCiS gave me my life back, and I want the same for you. And you know what? After you try it, you're gonna want to spread the word too.
So right now I'm teaching about 2 to 3 classes a day, and especially the last 6 months was experiencing just immense pain in my knees and in my ankles. They just ache, and it's hard for me to walk up or down stairs, and my ankles at one point in time, I couldn't even stand. I mean, I was in tears. So I tried the ALCiS, and the first thing I noticed is it didn't smell. Like a lot of products you apply to your joints, your knees, and your ankles, it didn't smell. This ALCiS product takes the pain away and allows you to continue your day, get through your day pain-free.
The breakthrough technology behind ALCiS Daily Relief is not only helping people in pain, it's also getting the attention of the medical community. Dr. John Massey runs the Bay Area Health and Wellness Center. They specialize in treating people who suffer from pain with the latest, most effective treatments.
ALCiS excites me. When I was approached and asked to try the medicine, I felt I had a good patient base with which to trial it. And indeed, the trials that I did on my patients, and including my family and myself, were actually very positive.
Dr. Massey recently sat down with Barbara Niven to talk specifically about what makes ALCiS different from traditional pain treatments.
So what's wrong with the way we've been treating our pain?
So if we're talking about things like anti-inflammatory medications, then we have to worry about ulcers of the stomach, gastrointestinal bleeding, kidney failure.
Oh, great.
And these are things that happen on a daily basis to patients who take these medications every day. Stronger pain medicines, narcotic pain medicines, you can have problems with mental clouding or even problems with addiction. Now, wouldn't it be appropriate to give a patient an alternative to something like this?
And that's where ALCiS Daily Relief comes in.
That's exactly where it fits in. I think what you're going to see in the future is that a lot of different kinds of medicines are going to be coming to the market that you don't have to ingest. It turns out that the skin is the largest organ in the body.
True.
And it doesn't necessarily carry a lot of the risks associated with putting something in your stomach that then goes through your kidneys or liver.
What is the technology that makes ALCiS act like no other pain treatment to come before?
The new breakthroughs are really in delivery systems, getting the drug to the site of action. And that's the beauty of ALCiS. We deliver the drug in ALCiS to its site of activity.
Dr. Brian Keller has a PhD in pharmacology and has worked his entire career to develop this safe alternative to traditional pain treatments.
Embedded in the ALCiS cream are these microscopic liposomes that are 1/50th the diameter of a human hair. They're loaded with active ingredients, and those ingredients penetrate the surface of the skin and release the ingredients over a period of time for faster, more prolonged, more substantial pain relief.
I don't like to take prescription medication because of the side effects, and for 3 years I took an anti-inflammatory that was prescribed by my rheumatologist that later was taken off the market, and so that was very alarming. I'm not ready to just stay home and deal with my pain. I have a lot of adventures yet to try and activities to do. I still want to be a part of life, and so with ALCiS, I'm able to take it along with me where I go and use it and be able to count on having the energy and the time to pursue those activities that I love.
I've tried almost everything on the market over the years to try and control my pain. And since I've started using ALCiS, I found that it's like it's in a totally different league.
Well, I'd say pain is ubiquitous. Everybody gets it. Whether you cite government studies that say 1 in 3 people, I'm telling you it's everybody. I've become very popular with everybody I know because of the Pain Center. When you have something that comes along that has some unique properties, has some patented technology associated with it that actually works, that's easy to use, that's non-toxic, that doesn't require a prescription, it's exciting. I think it's very common for patients to simply give up, to want to just say, okay, this is what I got, my life is going to be this way, and to accept it. And that's the wrong thing to do, because there are so many other options out there. ALCiS is one of those options. An opportunity to take a therapy that can actually significantly change the way they feel about themselves, change their pain, improve their quality of life.
The most serious pain in my body truly is my feet. I've had a lot of throbbing at night. I have a hard time going to sleep, relaxing my whole body because I feel so much pain in my feet. Pain is something that affects my mannerisms, it affects how I respond to people, it affects my workday. And it's something that I'm constantly aware of, because when I'm in pain, sometimes I'll appear cranky. I spent years taking ibuprofen as an analgesic to try and alleviate the problem. ALCiS simply removes the pain. It just lightens the pain. It's very easy. I don't notice it in any other way. It just lightens the pain. I feel lighter.
If you suffer from pain, you're not alone. Studies indicate that 1 out of every 3 Americans experiences pain. Hey, I was one of them. But now, thanks to ALCiS Daily Relief, I can regain control of my pain without fear of negative side effects and without a doctor's prescription. Please call now. It could be the call that changes your life, too.
Call now to experience a medical leap forward in pain treatment with ALCiS Daily Relief, The inventors of ALCiS started with a simple concept. Why use pills to treat your whole body when you can treat pain right where it hurts? From there, they developed a pain cream like no other. A patented liposome delivery system sends active ingredients quickly and deeply to the source of your pain, providing long-lasting relief without skin irritation. It's a new kind of pain treatment, not only because of its advanced innovative technology, but also because of its soothing feel and revitalizing qualities. Loaded with healthy antioxidants and nourishing botanicals, it's a relaxing, rejuvenating daily regimen that will make you feel great inside and out. Gentle, moisturizing, and good for your skin. Best of all, no embarrassing smell. It's a safe and effective alternative to traditional treatments, and thousands of doctors endorse it.
I found it to be safe, effective, with an onset of action that was relatively quick, and a duration of action of several hours.
As seen in national publications, ALCiS Daily Relief is getting attention, not only for its effective pain relief, but also for the luxurious feeling you get when you put it on. When you feel pain, just apply ALCiS, and you can start to feel relief in as little as 5 minutes. Relief that can last for hours. Use ALCiS Daily Relief for arthritis discomfort, joint pain, muscle pain, pain from bruises, sprains, or even to relieve soreness. There's never been anything that fights pain and makes you feel relief like ALCiS. That's why it's sampled in doctors' offices nationwide. You don't need a prescription, because now you can get ALCiS Daily Relief directly from the manufacturer. So call right now and ask how you can get a free 30-day supply of ALCiS Daily Relief with your order. Plus, you'll get our 30-day Get Relief or Get Your Money Back guarantee. But it gets better. We'll also include 10 ALCiS Daily Relief treatment packs. Perfect for quick on-the-go relief. Yours free just for trying ALCiS. If you or someone you know has pain, then call now to try ALCiS Daily Relief and find out how to get a free 30-day supply with your order. You have nothing to lose, so treat yourself well. Fight back against pain and live the life you were meant to. Call and ask for ALCiS Daily Relief now.
I've always been active, but when I was in pain, I found myself dreading things that I loved. It weighs on you. You're constantly worried about that pain flaring up and holding you back. Again, you start finding yourself home alone more, and you're just not as happy and enthusiastic about the coming day as you used to be. If so, that's no surprise. Experts have found that pain is not just physical. It can have a very negative psychological impact as well.
I was very depressed. I basically laid on the couch and laid in bed and then stay up all night because I couldn't sleep because the pain was too much.
The typical cycle of pain for most people is to become less active because it hurts to move. And so that means for most people they're going to do less. And as you do less, you're actually going to get out of shape. You're going to gain weight perhaps. You're going to sometimes get depressed.
You name it, if it said pain relief on it, I tried it because that's how desperate a person can get wanting some kind of pain relief. As soon as I applied the cream, it started working right away. Everything is different. I'm able to play with my kids now. I'm able to go do normal mom things with them. I do work full-time again, which was a huge thing for both myself and my family. That was really big for my confidence level. And so life is good.
It works topically and gives us a quick delivery system. So when patients experience increased levels of pain and they apply the ALCiS, we are confident that we can get good results in a quick time frame, which is in some cases a huge advantage.
I was playing in a neighborhood basketball game on a Saturday and sustained a charge, which I ended up right on my tailbone. It felt like a lower back sprain to me. And the doctor basically recommended that I no longer play sports that would jar the lower back. He said there were 3 alternatives. You can take a prescription painkiller, you can inject it with cortisone, which is a steroid, or you can have it operated on. And option 2 and 3 didn't work for me, so I took the painkiller. They recommend you take it with food, and even when I take it with food, after I use it for a while, I start to get stomach aches. And those stomach aches, I've learned over the years from friends, will turn into bleeding ulcers. I started using ALCiS on my lower back as an alternative, and found that I got tremendous relief by using ALCiS. And so now I use ALCiS proactively to relieve the pain and stress in that lower back.
What is this medical breakthrough that makes ALCiS different?
What makes it different is previously, when we gave topical medicines, they basically stayed on your skin. And most of them were counter-irritants anyway, just smelled bad, made your skin sting, made it hot, made it cold.
Wait, counter-irritant? What is that?
A counter-irritant is a medication, a therapy that goes on your skin that simply irritates it. And it irritates the nerve endings on your skin, confusing some of the pain signals. It's not very strong. It carries a lot of risk associated with getting counter-irritant material from your hands to other places in your body that you wouldn't want it to be.
No, wait. Basically, instead of getting rid of a pain, it just hurts somewhere else, so you forget about the original one?
It confuses your nervous system. That's exactly what it does. With a patented liposomal delivery system in ALCiS, you have pain therapy then that goes to where it's needed, changing the pain signals.
When I first learned that ALCiS was a cream, I kind of was skeptical myself. I didn't think a cream could work because it's just on top of your skin. But since using ALCiS, it's made such a difference. It really has been life-changing for me. When you live with pain for such a long time, it's like all of a sudden it's going away. What is this? I will not stop using ALCiS because it seems like I'm getting better and better. My pain is going away. It's decreasing more and more. So I'm gonna keep using it.
Using ALCiS definitely makes me feel younger. From just the start, in putting the product on, that smooth feeling that you get in your skin, the pleasure of just putting on something that's satiny and soft and smooth. And it makes you feel pretty, it makes you feel younger just from that. But also to allow the pain to go away, to feel young and active again. It's just wonderful.
I was working as a dancer, teacher, choreographer, but I had acute chronic injuries that weren't going away. My left ankle was so painful that I simply couldn't perform anymore. It was really, I mean, I would have to load myself up with painkillers and anti-inflammatories just to do the simplest moves. And now, just within these past couple of months, since using the ALCiS, I really feel like things have turned around. And it's just, I feel like I've gone from a couple different levels of bottom, and now I'm working my way back up, and I really feel encouraged and happy and optimistic.
Before ALCiS, I often had to make tough choices. Okay, do I want to just live with pain today? Or do I want to take pills that might have negative side effects? Or do I use a sports cream that smells horrible and stains my clothing? It was a no-win situation. But now, with ALCiS, I can't lose. It doesn't irritate my skin, and I have very sensitive skin. It doesn't smell offensive or clash with my perfume. So when I put it on, I just feel pampered and pretty, like I'm treating myself well. And best of all, it actually works for my pain.
Call now to experience a medical leap forward in pain treatment with ALCiS Daily Relief. The inventors of ALCiS started with a simple concept. Why use pills to treat your whole body when you can treat pain right where it hurts? From there, they developed a pain cream like no other. A patented liposome delivery system sends active ingredients quickly and deeply to the source of your pain, providing long-lasting relief without skin irritation. It's a new kind of pain treatment, not only because of its advanced innovative technology, but also because of its soothing feel and revitalizing qualities. Loaded with healthy antioxidants and nourishing botanicals, it's a relaxing, rejuvenating daily regimen that will make you feel great inside and out. Gentle, moisturizing, and good for your skin. Best of all, no embarrassing smell. It's a safe and effective alternative to traditional treatments, and thousands of doctors endorse it.
I found it to be safe, effective, with an onset of action that was relatively quick, and a duration of action of several hours.
As seen in national publications, ALCiS Daily Relief is getting attention, not only for its effective pain relief, but also for the luxurious feeling you get when you put it on. When you feel pain, just apply ALCiS, and you can start to feel relief in as little as 5 minutes. Relief that can last for hours. Use ALCiS Daily Relief for arthritis discomfort, joint pain, muscle pain, pain from bruises, sprains, or even to relieve soreness. There's never been anything that fights pain and makes you feel relief like ALCiS. That's why it's sampled in doctors' offices nationwide. You don't need a prescription, because now you can get ALCiS Daily Relief directly from the manufacturer. So call right now and ask how you can get a free 30-day supply of ALCiS Daily Relief with your order. Plus, you'll get our 30-day Get Relief or Get Your Money Back guarantee. But it gets better. We'll also include 10 ALCiS Daily Relief treatment packs. Perfect for quick on-the-go relief. Yours free just for trying ALCiS. If you or someone you know has pain, then call now to try ALCiS Daily Relief and find out how to get a free 30-day supply with your order. You have nothing to lose, so treat yourself well. Fight back against pain and live the life you were meant to. Call and ask for ALCiS Daily Relief now.
Okay, so you might be watching this show with a healthy level of skepticism. I know when I first heard about ALCiS Daily Relief, I had my doubts, because I've tried other things for my neck and back pain, and I was always disappointed. In fact, when I first tried ALCiS, it felt and smelled so good, I didn't think it could work. But then I put it on, and right away, my muscles gave this, I don't know, sort of a little sigh. A little later, I realized my neck pain was gone. I'd actually forgotten about it. Now, if you've lived with pain like I have, you know how incredible that is. And now, it's your chance. Pick up the phone and call now. You haven't tried it all until you've tried ALCiS Daily Relief.
I'm Lars Andrews. I am a mountain guide, internationally certified mountain guide, and I'm a skier, a surfer, a climber. Well, ALCiS has basically given me a new lease on my career. I have a ritual in the morning that I go through, and it's just part of that ritual. You know, I put my sunscreen on my face and put ALCiS on my knee, and then away I go. I mean, I can wholeheartedly endorse it because of what it's been, what it's done for me, what it's enabled me to do, and to continue on doing what I'm doing.
I was willing to try any product to help me get better, but since I've been using ALCiS, my improvement has really been remarkable in terms of pain relief, mobility, and quality of movement, and my general strength has gotten better.
Doctor, imagine the person sitting at home in pain. What would you tell them?
I would tell them that they have alternatives in their health care and that there's an opportunity for them to get better. I think it's very common for patients with chronic pain to simply give up and say nothing's going to help me. And I think it's very common for them to think that there isn't anything out there that's going to significantly change the way they feel.
Because we've tried everything and been disappointed.
Very true. And so the opportunity to find out that there's an alternative to medicines for patients with chronic or even acute pain is real, and it's something that should be told by physicians to patients.
I have a few friends that just don't do anything physical because of their pain, or they might be depressed and stay home all the time and do nothing. And I am going to I'm going to give them some of my little, sample packs and tell them to try it a few times, because it's life-changing.
It's easy to use, it's easy to carry around, it's not addictive, it doesn't impair their ability to function or do things at home or at work, and as a result, it really does help promote that high level of independence and high functionality that we want, so that patients ultimately are in a much higher level of control than when they first come to us.
With ALCiS, it's just part of the routine. Get out of the shower and put on the ALCiS, and it just feels wonderful.
It's almost like a cosmetic pain reliever.
I use it twice a day, consistently.
ALCiS is simple. It's just, you put it on in the morning, it's just like a cream. It's like putting your sunscreen on.
What I love about ALCiS is it allows me to do more of what I want to do.
It doesn't make you healthy, but it gives you the ability to choose to be healthy.
ALCiS has made me feel like I'm turning the clock back.
It worked. ALCiS actually works.
If you're at home and you're in pain and you are looking for a solution to that pain, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain, especially since ALCiS works. It works.
You've heard from people who have pain but fought back using ALCiS Daily Relief. You've heard from doctors who've seen the benefits that ALCiS can provide. And now it's your chance. Please don't let pain hold you back. You don't need a doctor's prescription. You don't even need to leave your house. It's helped me with my injuries. It just helps me be the me I love to be. It could work for you too. All you have to do is call. Get ALCiS Daily Relief. Treat yourself well and get your life back.
Call now to experience a medical leap forward in pain treatment with ALCiS Daily Relief. The inventors of ALCiS started with a simple concept. Why use pills to treat your whole body when you can treat pain right where it hurts? From there, they developed a pain cream like no other. A patented liposome delivery system sends active ingredients quickly and deeply to the source of your pain, providing long-lasting relief without skin irritation. It's a new kind of pain treatment, not only because of its advanced innovative technology, but also because of its soothing feel and revitalizing qualities. Loaded with healthy antioxidants and nourishing botanicals, it's a relaxing, rejuvenating daily regimen that will make you feel great inside and out. Gentle, moisturizing, and good for your skin. Best of all, no embarrassing smell. It's a safe and effective alternative to traditional treatments, and thousands of doctors endorse it.
I found it to be safe, effective, with an onset of action that was relatively quick, and a duration of action of several hours.
As seen in national publications, ALCiS Daily Relief is getting attention, not only for its effective pain relief, but also for the luxurious feeling you get when you put it on. When you feel pain, just apply ALCiS, and you can start to feel relief in as little as 5 minutes. Relief that can last for hours. Use ALCiS Daily Relief for arthritis discomfort, joint pain, muscle pain, pain from bruises, sprains, or even to relieve soreness. There's never been anything that fights pain and makes you feel relief like ALCiS. That's why it's sampled in doctors' offices nationwide. You don't need a prescription, because now you can get ALCiS Daily Relief directly from the manufacturer. So call right now and ask how you can get a free 30-day supply of ALCiS Daily Relief with your order. Plus, you'll get our 30-day Get Relief or Get Your Money Back guarantee. But it gets better. We'll also include 10 ALCiS Daily Relief treatment packs. Perfect for quick on-the-go relief. Yours free just for trying ALCiS. If you or someone you know has pain, then call now to try ALCiS Daily Relief and find out how to get a free 30-day supply with your order. You have nothing to lose, so treat yourself well. Fight back against pain and live the life you were meant to. Call and ask for ALCiS Daily Relief now. The preceding was a paid presentation for ALCiS Daily Relief.